I'm Betsy with Desserts Required, and do you know what I love about these cookie dough bird's nests? Everything. Let me show you how to put them together.
Cookie dough bird's nests start with a cookie dough base into which dark chocolate pastel candies have been mixed. Rather than scooping them onto a cookie sheet, I press the dough into mini muffin cups. You'll have a little time to relax, so take advantage of it. The nests are topped with heavenly chocolate ganache and a few eggs, well, in the form of large egg-shaped pastel milk chocolate candies. Even if Easter is not your holiday, cookie dough bird's nests are too good not to make.
Now that you know how easy they are to make, there's no excuse not to put them on your menu. For the recipe, go to my website, dessertsrequired.com, and while you're there, please like my YouTube channel.